You'll navigate to Africa Intelligence, use the trend detector to search a security, and generate an AI-powered summary. Click Africa Intelligence in the side menu to open the African Markets dashboard. Continue scrolling the tab bar until the Trend Detector tab is visible. Scroll the tab bar again to view the full range of available investment tools. Select Trend Detector from the Analysis tabs to access proprietary trend analysis. Enter the security ticker CIEC into the search bar to find the stock. Click the CIEC.CI result to load the trend detection analysis for that security. Change the time frame from daily to weekly to adjust the analysis horizon. Click Ask Warifin AI to generate a comprehensive analysis summary of the results. You use the trend detector to analyze a security, adjusted the time frame, and generated an AI summary.